If you're trying to lose weight, then watch the following video. It helped me, so why wouldn't it help you?
Fat burner, weight loss supplement, appetite suppressant, and energy booster. No artificial fillers. Burn XT was created with absolutely no fillers. Burn XT works differently by targeting multiple fat-burning processes in the body. Energy booster and appetite suppressant. Help keep food cravings in check and your diet on track with these safe and effective fat-burning pills. Improve energy levels. Use in the morning or pre-workout. Support fast fat loss with keto-friendly energy to help burn fat and lose weight. Directions. Take 1 to 2 capsules, 1 to 2 times per day with a meal and a glass of water. Support healthy weight loss. Burn XT is a thermogenic fat burner supplement for men and women. Each capsule contains natural, powerful thermofat burning ingredients. The synergistic formula helps burn fat, increase energy, preserve lean muscle, suppress appetite, and boost metabolism. Ingredients per 2 capsules. Acetyl L-carnitine HCl 700 mg, green tea extract 450 mg, caffeine 270 mg, Capsamax cayenne pepper extract 50 mg, bioperine black pepper fruit extract 5 mg.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.